To open a document in your team to make edits to it, go to the channel in which the document is stored and click on the Files tab. In the Files tab, you will see all existing files and folders in a list. Click on the documents in the list. It will open directly in Teams, ready to be edited. When the file is open, make your changes. All changes will be saved automatically. Others can also open the file and edit it at the same time. You can see who else is in the documents, and you can also see where they are and what they're editing. All changes are saved automatically. If you want to continue a conversation alongside editing the file, click the conversation box in the top right of the document. This will open a chat in which you can message the other people editing the document.